Good morning, students. It's Professor Devasish Hota. Today, my topic is again on short questions answers on electrical and electronics measuring instruments. TB varies directly to TD, or we can say TD is proportional to TB. At steady state, even we can say TB is equal to TD, where TD is deflecting torque, TB is braking torque. This torque varies directly to the flux and speed, varies inversely to resistance. Phi is flux, N is speed. F naught is resonant frequency or frequency at the stage of resonance. Resonance means X is equal to 0, means XL should be equal to XC. F naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi root over of LC. Fr is S into Fs. Fr is rotor frequency, S is slip of machine, Fs is supply frequency. Probable error denoted by R, that is plus minus 0.674 sigma or del. It implies standard deviation. Hay breeze has better quality factor than Maxwell's breeze, and Maxwell's breeze is used to measure inductance. Power consumption in permanent magnet moving coil measuring instruments is 25 microwatt to 200 microwatt. It varies in between. Frequency range of MI instrument varies in between 0 to 125 Hz. Wattmeter errors occur due to voltage coil inductance, voltage coil capacitance and eddy current. The relation between power and torque is like this: P is equal to 2 pi Nt by 60. N is speed. Meter constant is equal to revolution by kilowatt hour. It is useful in energy meter. In a transformer, magnetizing current is equal to magnetizing MMF by primary winding turns. MMF is magnetomotive force, and working component of current or working current is equal to loss MMF by primary winding turns. It's for today. Watch my next video. Thank you.